ADVM 5F, Advanced CNC Milling, 4 and 5 axis.
Hey, ADVM 5F, it's the capstone class. People working in industry come back to Sierra College to have the opportunity to upskill. So what does 4 and 5 axis mean? The base machines that you learn in the other machines to use have 3 axes of motion. They're linear, right to left, away from you, towards you, and the head of the machine with its rotating cutter moving up and down vertically in 3-dimensional space simultaneously. When we add a 4th axis, we're now spinning that component in one axis. So if you look at the example of the small picture in the center top with the red box inside the machine, that is a 4th axis that rotates the part that's being held in the chuck so that the milling machine can cut it on all sides as it rotates. 5th axis, you're now taking one of those and bolting another one to it so that it rotates in 2 different axes. And the image below is a 3-axis machine with what's called a tilting rotary table. So it tilts, and then it also has a platter where the part mounts on, and you can rotate it to cut on any side of the part except for where it's attached to the fork holding. That is 5-axis. In that class, we also are fortunate to have 2 fully 5-axis machines that were built that way to be full 5-axis. They're called UMC 750s. They cost about $350,000 each, and you will get an opportunity to run those if you take ADVM 5F. The modality of that class, it switches back and forth between in-person and hybrid. It's typically hybrid. It's an advanced class. The prerequisite is 5E. And you can co-enroll in 5E in the first 8 weeks of the term and 5F in the second 8 weeks of the term. We do have an enrollment advisory. ADVM 5F is an elective. You don't have to take it. And ADVM 5E and F will be offered in the
Spring of 2027.
ADVM 5 series projects examples. These come from all different level classes. The one in the lower left corner, the student actually spanned the project between more than one class. He designed a pump, uses a impeller design, and he modeled the pump first in the 3D printing class. Then he took his file that was refined for fit, and we cut one out of aluminum on one of the 5-axis machines. So that's the picture in the lower. The smallest picture on the screen is another 5-axis part. Probably could have been made on a 4th axis, but they're cylindrical parts with slots on the sides that are indexed around a cylinder. And my favorite is the one in the center. A student made a shift knob for a specific Dodge Dart, I believe, that was a tornado theme. And so he made a shift knob that he designed it, looks like a tornado, and now it's in his car as a shift knob.
Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media